Welcome back to the channel. This is your space, your movement. Today, we begin a gentle journey of releasing pain, emotional detox, and reconnecting with the divine within you. Take a moment to arrive here fully. Sit down or lie down in a comfortable position. Allow your body to feel supported by the surface beneath you. There is nowhere else you need to be right now. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Feel your chest expand, your lungs filling with fresh, calm energy. And now, slowly exhale through your mouth. Let everything heavy begin to melt away. Again, inhale deeply. Breathe in peace, stillness, softness, and exhale slowly, releasing tension, stress, anything you have been holding on to. One more time, take a deep, nourishing breath in and exhale even slower this time, as if you are letting go of the entire day. Now, allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm, soft, gentle, effortless. Bring your awareness to your body, relax your forehead, soften the space between your eyebrows, unclench your jaw, let your tongue rest naturally, relax your neck, drop your shoulders, let them fall away from your ears. Feel anything tightness in your chest, gently loosening. Allow your arms to feel relaxed, your hands relaxed, your stomach soft, your legs sinking deeper into comfort. With every breath, your body is becoming more and more relaxed, more present, more at ease. Now, gently bring your attention to your heart. Place on hand on your heart if you feel called to, and silently say to yourself, I'm safe in this moment. Feel the meaning of those words. Let them land inside you. Again, softly, I'm safe in this moment. Allow your body to believe it. Allow your mind to slow down. One more time with deeper presence. I am safe in this moment. Stay here for a few breaths, just feeling, just being, just existing in safety and stillness. Now, gently bring your full awareness to your breath. Nothing else matters in this moment, just your breath flowing in and out. Don't try to control it forcefully, just being to observe it softly, patiently. Now, we will breathe together. Slowly inhale through your nose as I count 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the air filling your lungs, expanding your chest, bringing calm into your body. Hold the breath gently as I count 1, two, no tension, just a soft pause. Now, slowly exhale through your mouth as I count one, two, three, four, five. Let the breath leave your body completely, as if you are releasing something heavy with it. Again, inhale as I count one, two, three, four. Hold as I count one, two. Exhale as I count one, two, three, four, five. Continue at your own pace. With every inhale, you are inviting in peace, calm, stillness. With every exhale, you are letting go of what you don't need anymore. Feel it. With every exhale, heaviness is leaving your body, stress is slowly melting away, the need to control everything is loosening. You don't have to hold everything together right now. Just breathe. Again, inhale deeply and exhale slowly. Let each breath take you deeper, deeper into relaxation, deeper into yourself. Now, softly within yourself, say, I let go. Feel the words again gently. I let go. Let it sink into your body, into your mind, into your heart. One more time with intention. I let go. Stay here for a few moments, breathing, releasing, softening. Now, gently bring your awareness to your heart. Place your focus in the center of your chest. You can even place your hand on your heart if it feels comforting. Just notice what is there. No need to change anything, no need to fix anything. Just feel whatever is present inside you right now. Allow it to rise to the surface. You may notice pain, confusion, longing, attachment, unspoken emotions. Let it all be there. Don't judge it, don't push it away, don't try to understand it. Just witness it with softness. You are safe to feel. Now imagine your heart slowly opening like a gentle warm light glowing inside your chest. This light is soft, comforting, healing. With every breath in, this light grows a little brighter, and with every breath out, it begins to release everything heavy you have been carrying. Slowly, gently, without force, as you exhale, feel yourself releasing old memories that still hurt, emotional weight you have been holding on to, expectations that were never fulfilled. Let them leave your body through your breath. You don't need to carry them anymore. Breathe in light, breathe out, release. If emotions rise, if tears come, allow them. Tears are not weakness, they are your body's way of letting go. Let yourself feel it fully without resistance. You are releasing, you are not breaking. Now, softly from within, begin to say, I release what no longer serves me. Feel the meaning of those words as if something is gently leaving your heart. Again, slowly, I release what no longer serves me. Let it go layer by layer. Now say, I free myself from emotional attachment, not by force but by allowing. Again, I free myself from emotional attachment. Feel a sense of space opening within you, a lightness, a quiet freedom. Stay here for a moment, breathing, feeling, releasing, healing. Now, allow your awareness to gently expand. Imagine above your head a soft, glowing white light, pure, peaceful, divine. This light carries calm, healing, and clarity. Slowly visualize this light beginning to descend, entering through the top of your head. As it touches you, feel a sense of coolness, softness, safety. This light now moves into your mind. Feel it gently flowing through your thoughts, clearing overthinking, dissolving mental noise, any racing thoughts, any confusion are slowly being washed away. Your mind is becoming quieter, lighter, clearer. Now, this light moves down to your throat. Here it begins to release everything you have held back, unspoken words, suppressed emotions, feeling you couldn't express. Allow this light to gently open this space. You may feel a subtle shift, a release. You don't need to force anything, just let it flow. Now, the light continues its journey, moving into your heart. Feel it spreading warmth, softness, healing. Any pain, any heaviness is slowly dissolving in this light, like ice melting under warm. Your heart is being cleansed layer by layer, gently, safely. Now imagine this light flowing through your entire body, from your head to your chest, to your arms, your stomach, your legs. Every part of you is being washed with this pure healing energy. It feels like you are standing under a waterfall of peace, a continuous flow washing away emotional residue, past pain, stress stored in your body. Let it all go. You don't have to hold on to anything anymore. Just stand in this light and receive. Now, softly within yourself, say, I am cleansing my mind, body, and soul. Feel the truth of it again. I am cleansing my mind, body, and soul. Allow this cleansing to go deeper. One more time with full presence. I am cleansing my mind, body, and soul. Stay here for a few moments. Let the light continue to flow, continue to cleanse, continue to restore you. Now, feel this gentle white light expanding. It is no longer just within you, it is now surrounding you like a soft protective glow. You are inside this light, held, supported, safe. Allow yourself to feel connected to something higher than your thought, your worries, your past. You are connected to the universe, divine energy, pure unconditional love. Let yourself rest in this feeling. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to prove anything. Just receive. Feel as if you are being guided, as if everything in your life is unfolding with a deeper intelligence. Even if you don't understand it right now, you are still being protected and supported. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, surrender a little more. Now, softly from within, say, I trust the divine timing of my life. Let those words settle into your heart. Again, I trust the divine timing of my life. Release the need to rush, to control, to force outcomes. Now say, what is meant for me will stay. Feel the peace in that truth. Again, what is meant for me will stay, and anything not meant for you is gently being removed for you, for your highest good. Stay here, feeling supported, guided, held. Now, slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your body, back to this present moment. Notice your breath, soft, calm, steady. Notice your heartbeat, gently beating, grounding you in your body. Notice the calmness within you, the space you have created, the lightness you feel. Slowly wiggle your fingers, your toes, bring gentle movement back into your body. Now place your hand on your heart. Feel his warmth, his presence, and softly say, I choose myself again. I choose myself. Choosing your peace, your healing, your growth. Now say, I'm whole with or without anyone. Feel the power in that again. I'm whole with or without anyone. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. And when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take your time, don't rush. Sit quietly for the next 2 3 minutes, just being with yourself. Don't immediately reach for your phone. Let this calmness settle deeper within you. Guys, if you feel called to go deeper into your journey, whether it's clarity in relationship, career, overthinking, or anxiety, you can connect with us for one-on-one session. We'll work together, understand your situation, and guide you with clarity and honesty. I'll be there with you through the process and will take care of you. Thank you so much, guys.